In this video, we will review Ria. Ria Money Transfer is a reliable and well-established service for sending money internationally. With a wide network covering over 165 countries, it offers a variety of delivery options, including bank deposit, cash pickups and mobile wallet transfers. One of Ria's key strengths is its ease of use. Whether it is through the app, website or physical location, sending money is straightforward. Transfers are generally fast, especially with options like bank transfer or even cash pickups, which can be processed within an hour in some cases. The service is secure, using encryption to protect your personal and financial data. However, there are some areas where Ria could improve. While it's affordable compared to many of its competitors, fees are still quite high depending on the destination and the payment method that you do choose. Transfers funded by credit or debit card may also attract additional charges. Another downside is that customer service, while helpful, can sometimes be slow and unresponsive, especially in the busier time periods. Some users have reported delays in receiving funds, especially when sending money to countries with stricter banking regulations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.